What is a freelancer? What is a freelancer? I work for myself. I work for myself. I am self-employed. I am self-employed. I need a client. I need a client. The project is good. The project is good. Check the deadline now. Check the deadline now. What is the fee? What is the fee? The rate is hourly. The rate is hourly. Send an invoice today. Send an invoice today. Payment is due soon. Payment is due soon. Sign the contract here. Sign the contract here. Read the terms clearly. Read the terms clearly. The budget is limited. The budget is limited. I accept the quote. I accept the quote. Make a deposit now. Make a deposit now. Review the full scope. Review the full scope. Meet the client online. Meet the client online. Ask for feedback, please. Ask for feedback, please. Update your portfolio soon. Update your portfolio soon. Show your best work. Show your best work. Negotiate the price now. Negotiate the price now. Deliver the file late. Deliver the file late. Stay very professional always. Stay very professional always. Find new work daily. Find new work daily. Build your global brand. Build your global brand.